Hello everyone, selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam. Today's lesson will talk about Table of Content Intermediate 2. Have you watched the Table of Content Intermediate 1? If you don't, please click the YouTube card on the upper right corner. Today's lesson will continue from the previous video. We will introduce the design of content. Remember in the previous video we talked about the use of multi-level list? Today we will turn the multi-level list into a custom table of content. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started! Before we insert a custom table of content, I will teach a skill to break every big title into a new page. Remember we talked about how to break page in lesson 8? The way I taught last time is when you need to break table of content and article. However, what if I am writing a long document and I have so many chapters and I want each chapter begin from a new page? Now, I will talk about an easy and quickly way to make each title set on a new page. Just like this document. I got 3 chapters here and each of them starts from a new page. But remember, this way has a condition that you need to first set your title into heading. We have done this part in the previous video, so we will directly break the chapter now. So first, you need to right-click the heading 1 and left-click Modify. And you will get this window. And you first click the Format at the bottom of window, and then click Paragraph. And let's watch a video to see how it works. You right-click heading 1 and left-click Modify. And click Format and then click Paragraph. Okay, now you stop on this window. So you first click Line and Page Breaks and second click Page Break Before and click OK. And you will see your paragraph broke like this. And let's watch the video to see how it works. You click Line and Page Breaks and click Page Break Before and click OK. Now we have set each paragraph on a new page. We can finally start to insert our custom table of content. To insert a custom table of content, first, put your cursors on the top of page and click it. And then you click Reference and click Table of Content. Then finally click Custom Table of Content. And you will get this window. And let's watch video to see how it works. Put your cursors on the top of page and click it. And click Reference and then click Table of Content and click Custom Table of Content. And now you stop on this window. This window provides you some function to create your custom table of content. Now I will use video to illustrate what each function can do. Now you see here. I can use this to change the type of table of content. Today, I will use formal. Move on to show levels. Show level means how many levels you have in the document. For today's example, we only have 2 levels, father and son, so we only need 2. If someday you got grandpa, father, and son, you will need 3 levels. Now look at the tab leader. Tab leader means the line type to reach between your heading and page number. You can also choose none, and there will be no line. Now you can click OK, and you will get this custom table of content. And here I provide you an easy way to make your document look more professional. We will use the template from Word. First, you need to click Design and you will see many things here. And let's check out the video to see which one I use. First, I click Design, and today I will use this one. This document looks more beautiful, isn't it? Okay, we have finished today's class, and here are some small missions for you. You need to design your own table of content by using themes. If you have any problem, please comment below, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe PassByValue. Hope you enjoyed today's video and see you next time. Bye bye!